how to do arm style in very natural, a beautiful way. So what is the secret? So of course, we have to start it with the upper body, with our rib cage. Then, after we do our rib cage, it's activating our shoulder. Rib cage, shoulder, elbow, then wrist. On the way back is exactly the same. Rib cage, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Again, to do arm in a beautiful and natural way, we have to do it in a chain reaction. We have to start going from the rib cage into the shoulder, into the elbow, into the wrist. On the way back, exactly the same idea. Rib cage in, shoulder, elbow with a little bit rotation wrist. In this case, the arm will be coming out as a reaction, not as an action itself. So it always will look more beautiful when arm reacting to the body rather than it's moving on its own. Exactly the same with the other arm, of course. So you have a rib cage, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and then to take it back, you start with your rib cage, shoulder, elbow, wrist. And if you want to do two arms same time, here you have to decide what you're going to focus. Are you going to focusing on sending arm out or not bringing your arms in? So for example, if I'm focusing on sending my arms out, I will start with my right rib cage, left rib cage, right, left. If I'm focusing on the collecting my arm in, rib cage in, shoulder, elbow, wrist, collect, collect. And then I can combine. I can send out and in, out and in. So remember, using your body will always make arms much more natural, with the more flow, more musicality, more artistic approach. dancewitholeg.com. Make sure you logged in here, log in here, then go to video courses. So all my private library of dance tutorials is here. New videos I post like every day, sometimes one video, sometimes 4, sometimes 8 videos. Programs, it's 30 minutes each. All videos already 117 videos, technique, cha-cha steps, performance workouts, everything here. So this programs I think is very effective also, way to learn. You click here,